Assalamualaikum and very good day. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you on three different type of mode in. Basically, there are more mode, but I'm going to differentiate what is the object mode, edit mode, and also sculpt mode. Alright, so this is the default interface. We can use this object, this cube for this tutorial. Okay, so basically what's the difference between object mode and edit mode? Alright, so for object mode, we can select the whole object and we cannot edit each of the vertex, line, and also the face of this cube, for example. Okay, if we change from object mode to edit mode, all right, or the shortcut key, you can press tab key on your keyboard. So in here is the edit mode, so you can press double A key 2 times to deselect all. So this is the selection that you can use in edit mode. Alright, so by default, not by default, for this one, the automatically set to the vertex select, meaning that you can select by each point. Alright, so if you zoom and you can see here we have so for this cube it consists of 8 1 2 3 4 times 2, meaning 8 vertex. So we can select each vertex or each vertices by using this function. Okay, for the second one is a line selection. You can select and you can see the line highlighted in white color, or you can press shift to multi select, right? And you can see we have 4 lines selected. It will automatically select the whole face. And the third one is by face select, which you can click on every side of your cube. For example, if I turn, you can click here and also here. Alright, so same goes to the previous one. You can press shift and then click on the face 1 2 and 3, and you can move the facet or the faces, or you can scale down, or it depends on you. You can manipulate each of the part that has been selected, right? Okay, right. Okay, the next one is I'm going to show you in this in edit mode we can do extrude and also subdivide your object. For example, this is the mesh object. We can if you right click, or mine selection is on left click, and if I right click I can access additional sub menu. Alright, so as you can see we have subdivide, extrude faces. What is the difference between these two things? So basically for subdivide, if you press right click and then choose subdivide, so as you can see here they divide my face here into 4. Okay, so this is 1, and this is we subdivide the faces into 4 part. Okay, and from here what we can do is we can extrude. So for example, I'm going to select this one and right click, choose extrude faces. So, and you can see the blue line, so it will extrude our face into the following the blue line. Alright, so same goes if I select if I have more than one selection. So for example, I'm going to select this one and this one. All right, so if I press extrude, so it will extrude the faces on to top lah. And of course you can move the faces into any direction. Okay, so for example, I choose this one and I press G to move, so you can manipulate the faces. It depends on your modeling. All right, so same goes to here. Press G for example, or if you want to scale down, scale up, you just press S to scale down and scale up. All right, so for example, I want to scale down this line. Okay, so what can I do is to click on the line selection. All right, and press A two times, okay, to deselect. All right, and then I can left click and then hold shift key on your keyboard. Same goes to this one and this line also. All right, so if I want to scale down, scale up, okay, what we need to do is to just press S and then you can scale up, which you can bring your mouse far away from the object, or if you want to scale down, you can move your cursor to the object. All right, so once done, you left click one time. All right, so this is the extrude and subdivide. All right, so the next tutorial I will guide you on how to model a simple object by using this technique. All right.